This conference will now be recorded.
So we can integrate build tools, Maven and Gradle, the testing tools, JUnit plugins, or if you want to integrate with external tools like Selenium, JMeter, we can integrate Nexus, all those whatever you want. For example, if you want to work with AWS, you can integrate your AWS with Jenkins. If you want to work with Google Cloud, you can integrate your Google Cloud with Jenkins. If you want to work with some whatever it may be, okay, some other tool, some other VMware or some other whatever, okay, all those tools we can integrate with Jenkins. You can work it. Okay. This kind of plugins is full of plugins. Plugins is just piece of code. Uh, some tool. Okay, I'll show you later. Okay, we can download all plugins. For example, I want to work with AWS through Jenkins. Okay, so I can download AWS plugins. Okay, plugins. I can configure. I can work. Or if you want to, if you want to work with Maven, okay, so we need to download the Maven plugins and we have to configure and work with Jenkins. These are all full of plugins. So okay, and like CI/CD, everybody knows what is the CI/CD. So not only DevOps, anyone can use it. Okay, so system admins they can use for their automation purpose. For example, we have some scripts, shell scripts, Python scripts, and all. So we have to run these things. We have to schedule. Through Jenkins, we can schedule. For example, I have one shell script or Python script. I want to run so my Python script every Sunday, sometime every Sunday 10 p.m. for example. So you can schedule and you can automate. Yeah. So it's not only for DevOps, so anybody can use it. System admins, developers, and, DevOps guys, anybody can use it to automate their infrastructure or their project using anything, okay, Java or for CI/CD purpose. Using Jenkins, we can run Ansible scripts or Ansible script, Terraform, whatever. Okay, so Ansible script. Example, if you want to run Ansible scripts through Jenkins, you can run. If you want to run Terraform or Docker or something through Jenkins, yes, we can run. So all these things I'll show you. Okay. Whatever we discussed right last time.
What's Terraform?
Terraform also like it's kind of Ansible. Okay. Using Terraform, we can create the infrastructures. For example, take AWS or Azure or Google Cloud or VMware something like that. So you can we can provision our infrastructure, our servers, our networking, our storage, our databases, all those stuff on them. Kind of scripting tool like Ansible. Okay, Gaurav?
Okay, yeah.
Same like Ansible, also like Ansible. So Terraform also one of the infra provisioning tool. Okay, so like in infrastructure as a code. Infrastructure as a code means so using Ansible or Terraform, so we can create or we can provision the infrastructure means AWS servers, Azure, Google Cloud, whatever it may be. So all these things are we can provision through Ansible or through Terraform also. Revati, any questions, Revati?
No, Ram.
Okay, so if you don't have any questions, to
Ansible
we'll install the Jenkins.
Sorry, Ram. So Ansible is a tool, or it's a tool.
It's a tool.
It's a tool.
It's a tool. Yeah, it's a tool. Yeah, it's a tool.
Through Ansible, we can create infrastructure. That's what you're saying.
Yeah, we can create. Yeah, we can create infrastructure and okay. So For example, you have Windows servers and like, can you put in mute? So we can create infrastructure, all right, and we can configure the servers also. For example, you have a lot of Windows servers, a lot of Linux servers. If you want to install something, you want to configure something, you want to change something in server level, you can do it through Ansible at a time. For example, I have 1,000 servers. Whatever it may be, Linux, Windows, or Fedora, you can do whatever it may be, different flavors, different OS. So in all 1,000 servers, I want to install some X package, and I want to change some small parameter, some small text. I want to change it. Okay, in 1,000 servers using Ansible. So at a time, okay, at a time, in all 1,000 servers, I can change it, and we can configure whatever. Okay, so in Ansible, you can use as a server configuration manager or server configuration management in server level. If you want to do something, if you want to change, restart services, stopping services, okay, or creating files, folders, or installing tools, okay, all these things, whatever, okay, you can do in server level, whether it is Linux or Windows, you can do it using Ansible, and also we can provision our infrastructure also using Ansible. Okay, Gaurav?
So I can create my infrastructure with Ansible, as well as I can also
Yes.
deploy the changes. If I want to push any change,
Yes,
if I want to change my
yes,
config
exactly.
level in 10 server, 27 servers using
Yes,
Ansible,
yes,
I can do that. So Ansible
yes.
is nothing, but it's kind of a tool, or it is written in a script level, right? Ansible scripts will be written by us probably.
Yes, yes, yes.
So
We
we
have it
write
at our
the script. Yeah. For example, let's say if I want to change any configuration in my server or during the deployment, I can write an Ansible script and that can change it. So how
yes,
different is
yes.
Ansible with the Chef?
Both are same. We Ansible from the different vendor, Chef from a different vendor, Puppet from the different vendor. Both are these are computers. Chef
Okay.
and Puppet and Ansible. These are the same similar type of tools, but from different vendors. That's it.
Okay.
The
Okay.
same similar using Chef also. So you can build your infrastructure as well as you can configure. You can change all the server configurations also.
Yeah. Yeah.
Same similar tools, but different vendors. That's it. That I will. Okay, the difference also I will tell you. Okay, when we're discussing about Ansible, right? So what's the difference between Chef, Puppet, and Ansible? I will discuss.
Okay. Yeah. Got it. Thanks.
Revati, any questions, Revati?
No, Ram. Just learning.
So
Yeah.
if you don't have any questions, then we will install the
Yeah.
Jenkins.
Okay.
Okay, already you have you can use. If you want, you can create the new server, whatever you want, you can do it. Use the existing server, or if you want to create new server, you can create that. Up to your issue, whatever you want, you can do it. I'm installing my existing server only.
So each of these vendors are, let's say, one vendor is providing Ansible, one vendor is providing Chef. Are there any limitations also in each of this one?
So limitation means?
Limitation is as in two vendors are providing the same concept. There will be something which Ansible cannot do, or there will be some function which Chef cannot do. Is it something like that? Or they both can do both the things, all the things?
Chef, right? If you use Chef, right, you can install in your laptop from your laptop. From your laptop. You can install in your laptop and you can write the Chef scripts and so on. You can deploy to your servers. Okay, but coming to Ansible, right? Ansible, right? From your laptop, you can't deploy in the servers from your laptop. There are some limitations also. Okay. In fact, if you take Puppet, in Puppet it is like master and agent configuration. You have to install agent in your remote server and master is a master server. Coming to Ansible, in Ansible we don't have agent and master. It's only one like just Ansible, that's it. Okay, we don't have any master and agent configuration. In Chef also, I think we don't have master and agent configuration, but in Chef you can install on your laptop. From your laptop itself, we can change whatever the configuration on in server levels. Ansible, you can't like that. Ansible, you have to install in your server, in your remote server only. From your laptop, you can't. Yeah, there are some limitations.
Okay, got it.
What is this? What is it? But nowadays, right, so most of the projects, most of the companies, they're using Ansible or Chef or Terraform. Initially, right, so maybe 6 years, 7 years, 5 years back, that Puppet is very famous. Puppet. But nowadays, most of the companies, most of the people are using Ansible or Terraform. That on my keys, I think, not. If, for example, today if you learn Ansible, okay, in tomorrow in your project you may get Terraform, you may get Puppet, but similar. Okay, so if you know, it's easy to learn others also, like Chef, Terraform, whatever. Now supported authentication methods available. Okay, I will create a new server, some server, API server. Okay, any other questions? Revati, Gaurav? Yeah. My net also is very slow. You can use without license. Ubuntu open source. We don't need to buy license for the Ubuntu and the CentOS. So this is open source, right? So in production, percentage 95% is CentOS or Ubuntu. Because so to save the cost and all, so they'll go for it CentOS or Ubuntu. So you have to learn some Linux commands. So I'll create new server. Okay, are you hearing me?
Aram.
Still some problem. Okay, fine. Okay. So don't forget, just practice some Linux commands. Anyway, okay, while discussing our Ansible and all, or the Ansible or Jenkins, right? So we will use some commands. I will explain whatever commands we are using. So from you also, so you have to practice. Gaurav, any questions, Gaurav? Any other questions?
No, not now.
That is the thing.